Hi GTA. Welcome to another edition of LSV Weekly, your Sunday spotlight on living smarter at home. From school zones worth a closer look to a guilt-free treat that tastes like dessert and a real estate alert every buyer should hear. Let's jump in. This week, we're zooming in on Bathurst Manor, more than a tucked-away pocket of North York. With strong schools, a welcoming family vibe, and growing demand, Bathurst Manor is making its mark with GTA buyers.
Offering some of the top-rated schools in the GTA and a family-friendly community. Leading the way is Avondale Elementary School, achieving a perfect score of 10 on the EQAO standardized test, a testament to its commitment to academic excellence. William Lyon Mackenzie Collegiate Institute ranks third among Toronto District School Board high schools, making it a top choice for academic success and future readiness.
Want to see how Bathurst Manor ranks on the top 10 GTA school zones list? The full breakdown is streaming now at lifestylevideos.com. Next up, dessert with a twist. Meet the Mint Chocolate Chip Smoothie, creamy, refreshing, dairy-free, and sugar-free. All the flavor, none of the guilt.
First, I'm going to be putting in a ripe banana, and I'm going to be adding 3 dates, and dates are amazing as really quick energy. I'm going to be using a handful of fresh mint, and if you like, your smoothie a little mintier, you can increase that. I like a very subtle minty flavor. So I'm also going to be putting in some maca. Now maca is an incredible hormone stabilizer. It's a Peruvian root, and I highly encourage you to try this. Lastly, I'm going to be using a little bit of spirulina. It's super high in protein. There's 67% protein in spirulina, which is astronomically high. I'm going to be adding a little bit of ice and a little bit of water.
Get the full recipe and step-by-step how-to at lifestylevideos.com, your weeknight wellness win. Now, in today's shifting real estate market, it's not just about what you see, it's what you don't. From hidden costs to overlooked neighborhood details, we break down the biggest red flags Toronto buyers miss.
In real estate, desperation makes people blind. But in 2025, you don't have to settle. You don't have to ignore the flickering lights, the strange smell in the basement, or the fact that the listing photos all use wide-angle lenses and no real answers. Red flags are subtle. The listing that's been sitting for 60 days in a neighborhood where nothing lasts 10. The flip that looks glossy on the outside, but hides bargain bin plumbing behind its walls. That beautiful kitchen island might be sitting on top of a foundation crack.
Watch the complete short doc on Real Estate Rewired, now streaming at lifestylevideos.com. And that's a wrap on LSV Weekly, your smarter living playbook. From neighborhood spotlights to quick kitchen wins and real estate know-how, we've got your week covered. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and discover every feature at lifestylevideos.com because smarter living starts here every week.